Alrighty, folks. Make sure I got my mirrors adjusted. We're here at Barber Motorsports Park with Chin Track Days in the Corsa Crew Cayman GTS. We're on some 200 treadwear Hankook RS4s. And the lovely folks at Chin Track Days are just absolutely awesome to work with. Thanks to Mark and Maria and everything they do for our industry. We're going to do a narrated lap here at Barber Motorsports Park. My name's Andrew Rains. I'm with Apex Pro. Done some professional racing, do a lot of coaching and instructing, and I'm going to show you guys how I like to get around Barber Motorsports Park. Wait for Walter. There we go. We'll go into Sport Plus mode here. And we're going to be looking to the right as we join. This is our red line on the right side here. Checking mirrors, looking over my shoulder, and we're clear. I'm looking for my apex on the right here. This is turn 2 and 3. We intersect after the apex of turn 1. Going to use all the track on the exit. Aim towards the tower. See that tower right there? I'm going to get a little left foot tap on the brake pedal. Make sure somebody's home. And hard brakes at the 3 board. Maybe a little bit different depending on what kind of car you're in. But if you're in the Corsa Crew Cayman, that's probably a really good marker. Maybe a little sooner to start, work up to it. Second gear in the PDK. Up to third. Got my Apex Pro working on the dash here, my lap timer running. Carrying good entry speed here, that's turn 7. Here I'm going to turn my head, this is turn 9, look under the bridge. Look all the way to the left side of the track here. Use all the track on the exit. Up to 4th gear here. Inch perfect, touch the white line, back to full throttle. Using all the track. Again, about 3 board or so. Gonna breathe on the brake pedal, not too hard. Releasing as I turn. Gonna give a point by here over the roof. To put somebody by on the inside. Give him plenty of space. And tuck in behind. Tiptoe on the brake pedal here. Down to second here in the PDK car. This is turn 15. Right on the apex. Get all the way track right. Lift. Turn, no brakes in that corner, no brakes. Just a lift off the throttle to set the weight. Hard on the throttle, using all the track on the exit. And that's a lap of Barber. This is going to be a full lap here, turn 1. I'm turning my head to the left. Apex is going to be right there on the left side of the track. Big curve there. I don't really like to use that curve. This is turn 2. We're looking for the apex of 3 right here. That's about where you want to put the car. Don't want to let it get too wide there. Looking for the tower. 3rd gear. Up to 4th. Going to be track right here. Hard brakes around the 3 board. Again down to 2nd. Watch my head here. Turn. Look past the A-pillar. Left side tires on the white paint line. Using all the track on the exit. Up to 4th gear again. This is turn 7. The first bridge. Turn 7. We call this the museum complex. Not a super hard brake, a little bit lighter brake, releasing brake as we turn, and then hard brake down the hill. Use a little bit of that curve, not a ton of it. Hard on the throttle, 2nd gear again here. Use all the track on the exit, checking mirrors. This is the fastest corner on the track. The kink, lift, turn, and stabilize the car with throttle. Throttle, 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 throttle. Use all the track on the left. 4th gear, deep breath. Flying part of the track here. Breathe on the brake, not too hard. Release as we turn, release as we turn. Down to 3rd gear at the base, a little bit of curve on the right. Aiming to the tree line. Lift and turn here. That's turn 14. No brakes, just a lift. And brakes here for turn 15. Release the brake. All green on the Apex Pro. Green is good. Red means there's more grip to be used. Still in 2nd here on the PDK. Up to 3rd on the exit. Good lap. Let's go for one more. Got some traffic behind us here. Brakes going into turn 1 and releasing as we turn. Should feel the car wiggle a little bit there. That's okay. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Don't let the car get too wide here. Don't let it get too wide. And throttle, 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 throttle. Little PSM intervention there. Wide open throttle. Point towards the tower. Up to 4. Get ready for hard braking to turn 5. Hard braking to turn 5. A little bit of ABS is okay here, but you don't want to be living on that ABS. Should feel a little bit. Wide open throttle, one smooth motion of throttle application there. Smooth motion of throttle application. Soft your brake right here into turn 7. And releasing as we turn, releasing as we turn. And again down to second gear. And get out here, eyes up the track. Look all the way up for a turn into the S's here. Turn into the kink. And lift, let the nose bite, and back on the throttle to stabilize the car. Should feel nice and good on the throttle. This is a 90 mile an hour plus corner. Knee throttle to stabilize the car there. Not too hard on the brakes here. Use the curve on the right, point towards the trees. And lift and turn here. Now on the brakes, not too hard. Release the brake to let the car turn. Back on the power as we exit. Release and go, 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 go. And that's a lap of Barber Motorsports Park. And we're going to do a little cool down lap here.